Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Bavsound E46 Convertible rear speaker supplement. We've kind of modularized these drivers to make it a little bit easier from an inventory perspective for us. So you gotta use a little bit of your brain power to put the new drivers together. It's really easy. We've tooled up some custom harnesses. You get a little bag with everything you need ready to rock. So let's go over how we do it. We're just gonna do one, and I'm gonna assume that by watching me do one, you have the mental acumen to repeat that on the second driver. So let's proceed. Let's get everything out of the way. We'll remove one of the speakers from the box that came with it, and you've been sent these screws, 6 of which attach the adapter to the car, and then 6 of which attach the speakers to the adapters. So, just showing the difference there. It's very simple indeed. Take the adapter, flip it over. Let's see, you gotta find out how I don't even remember how I tooled this. It's been so long since I've been here. Hey, look at that. So you can see, you just line up the holes. It is very easy to do. If you're struggling with this part, stop right now and take it to a professional. I'm being slightly facetious, but not really. I guess. All right, so it's really easy, and this is really boring to watch me do this. So you probably already figured it out by now, but if not, then I take the screwdriver out of our Bavsound toolkit, which you can add to your cart once you're in the cart. It's like 35 bucks. It's got all the tools you'll need for the project, front and rear doors, and rear side panels. So again, we're just, do not use a drill here, because if you put a hole through the speaker, unfortunately we would not be able to warranty that for you. So just manual screwdriver, an old-fashioned screwdriver. So snug everything up, don't wrench it down, just get it nice and snug. And very cool. So then we just check the speaker. It feels nice. It looks great. We now flip the speaker over. Actually, while we're here, we might as well just go ahead and do this. Go ahead and install the clip here. We will not be using this blue clip. That is for other applications, so we will not be using it. You can just twist it up, keep it back there out of the way. It's no worries at all. All right, so just take the gasket material, fold it in half. Get some cool scissors, cut it in half. And again, then we just take off the adhesive back, and we come around like this. And then we simply take this over to the car. And then you'll see again in the rest of the video how we just take out the factory speaker and put in the new speaker, 1, 2, 3, with the included 3 screws. Again, you were sent 6. These plug into the connectors. The color guides are on the PDF, but just FYI, browns in the rear are negative. Negative for us is solid black. So you'll slot this into the brown side, and the white stripe will slot into the yellow or the blue, depending on the side. So it's very easy, and that is how we rock and roll.